OpenAI has revealed that it had to cut off access to one of its internal large language models that it designed to tackle difficult, open-ended problems. It is the same model that the company previously said disproved the Erdos unit distance conjecture. The model managed to circumvent its sandbox restrictions that were supposed to block external access. Interestingly, Pillar Research just reported on several AI models, including ones from OpenAI, escaping sandboxes. OpenAI's model spent around 1 hour looking for a vulnerability in the sandbox to open a PR on a public GitHub repository. It did this because during a task it was asked to post results of a test to Slack, but some other instructions it came across said to post the results as a PR to GitHub, and it decided to act on these instructions instead. The reason this model spent so long trying to break the sandbox was because that's what it was designed to do, spending a long time trying to find solutions to problems. OpenAI said that while these persistent models are good at working on open problems, it also gives them more chances to take unwanted actions. To ensure that this type of unwanted action doesn't keep happening, OpenAI has rebuilt its safety system around defense in depth and trajectory-level monitoring. The new safeguards include incident-derived evaluations, improved alignment, active monitoring, and greater user visibility and control. The company said that it replayed a small set of internal deployment environments where the model went rogue, but this time with the new safeguards in place. The measures were able to catch considerably more misaligned actions pursued by the model, and those that it missed were all judged to be low severity. As models take on longer and more complex tasks, there's a greater chance of greater consequences. OpenAI says it will keep working to narrow the gap between evaluation and deployment to mitigate risks. Some things it will do include testing models over longer trajectories, improving alignment, building monitoring that can intervene, and giving users clearer visibility and control. OpenAI reiterated that this type of thing isn't limited to its own AI models. It hopes that by sharing these details, other AI labs will be able to prevent negative consequences too.